Hi, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this OnePlus smartphone. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy. Following that, you need to choose App Lock and click on this switch or next App Lock feature. Then click on Set Password in the pop-up, swipe, and tap on Set Password. Over here you can tap on Use a different password type and choose the best login method for you. I will go with Pattern. Now enter your login method and repeat it. Following that, you need to set up your recovery email over here and answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them though, you can always choose Custom Question option and create your own. Then choose Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Then save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. Over here select Start and finally tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case Chrome. So now when I go back and try to access Chrome app, as you can see, Pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!